Orofo me mo akwaba ka hu say had the latest hot news and I made bro enuti say unya subscribe we dia bobo dia say over subscribe to channel na we like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share na wo foforo so enye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana be muhadam afi ye hwe ye ensemo ababe todwa ye Ken Ofori Atta former finance minister ono ena nsem egusu etwagu na we ye attorney general ye Dr. Dominic Ayeni ensem ababe todwa wo kire se chia ye chi ye Ken Ofori Atta no ye extradition requester one de koma ye America for eno enameno so enama yachi ye Ken Ofori Atta na enye se why overstay I be mo kano enye sa da wo pa kire na nsem o de todwa okopie wo ye joy news far ho ena ye ode sanse we nyina etudwa na sanse we eye Ghana web for epic story no ama one de ensem bibra tudwa fa na ye nkohwe story no na fe yintie eye attorney general no anani masema wode etudwa ye ni kan hwe eye Ghana web story no na asem we nyina ekoso nyina de ye menwon wo kura na se eye former president eye nana do dan Kwaku Addo ono ani nua na so Akufo Addo ma abonten embeka simbia emfa ho eye me nwa yi pa se ono ani nua na nsense we nyina ekoso no wontimi ma abonten fa nsembia emetudwa na mo de ye nkohwe eye Ghana web story na wonde abetudwa fa ye Ken Ofori Atta ho ansem yina ye hwe eye nsemo ye egi eye attorney general so editudwa efa ho a wo che se nye overstay na emu extradition request no na mai Ken Ofori Atta eye ice for eye ICE for no ekwoche no ye share a story aye Ghana web edi betudwa efa aye sasemo say AG Ayeni confirms Ofori Atta arrest was due to extradition request. Aye extradition requester one de koto aye America for authorities enimu enameno so aye ICE aye immigration and custom enforcement for no one ekwache aye Ken Ofori Atta. Na ye share aye details of the story no. Say the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Dr. Dominic Akuntinga Ayeni, has confirmed that the arrest of the former Minister of Finance, Ken Ofori Atta, by ICE agent in the United States was due to his extradition request. Ken Ofori Atta, early last year, 2025, in Obu Niketim, a America memo, was Kojo Kyeremanteng, and a back and forth, yes, so Beba May. De sa na afi Akoto wia kopim se eye 2026 year eye ICE for akwache no Ken Ofori Atta face charges bebre eye USP de subo bebre abona ye hian wo krum ha de den se wo ba be face mra na nsem bi wo ho a wo ba be yi ano aye nsem de ja na what was say speaking to Joy News File on Saturday January 10 2026 Dr. Ayeni said that Ofori Atta's detention is part of the ongoing extradition processes, clarifying that it is linked to the revocation of his US visa and not a routine immigration overstay. Just say one revoking a US visa, neither say a cancel here and I say one withdraw here and visa no na overstay. Say they be muka say watra hama and na demand is watra mana broso and yes sa no mo pa chere. Otuaso say I don't make this public, but I started investigating Ofori Atta. In fact, in his case, I'm doing it with some foreign investors who are tracking all the offshore dealings and so on. Or just say when the foreign investors be na kambo mo edi say jumaya, just say when they track when they didn't tente ehe ni me be a cost for offshore, ni me be a cost wo nyina when they tracking nyina. We are also doing our own investigation here. They are inconclusive as we speak. I mean, we have not come to any conclusion, Dr. Ayeni revealed. What you say, a Ghana household, one so a yen review ha. Now, one in 5 years, and review when you know, and by year, the idea when you go 1 year, a year, and review. What one also say, describing the investigation as serious and potentially far-fetching. The Attorney General emphasized that collaboration with the U.S. authorities began long before Office of the Special Prosecutor issued any public statement. Now, what I say, abra one U.S. authorities for a kambu mo one yes investigation had one the calculated that the crown sana OSP a kiseja bedins and simbi eba betu abonting. Not just one day one the calculated yes I remuno. So I started working with the American authority in respect of Ofori Atta long before OSP came up with the announcement. I started working with them And I want Ghanaians to know that he just didn't overstay his visa. He clarified. Said I'm a chichi when you say overstay of the visa. They just said, "Nah, the man who so do hormone when you say be our trauma and abroso." Or say, according to Dr. Yene, the U.S. State Department revoked Ofori Atta's visa in July. They just said the visa the man, Ken Ofori Atta and one revoke and I said one can say, and I said one tremu and I said one withdraw it. I just said July and I 1 year Sadiano. Or said the American State Department revoked his visa and they gave him up to November 29th. And Tiabran visa and said we buy a tremu man up to 29th. 29th and they just say 100 year draw pack your things. Will be go back to Ghana to leave the United States. He did not, and then this is how come they decided that they were going to now pursue him and arrest him. That is a man up to 29 said Pakunema Nina Neko Ukrum Hona free. Tidano Soya Ken Ofori Atta Watrim Red December Moon Abbey General Ho and I just say enforcement for when any brea and I just said Namanoso and I Ken Ofori Atta. Winning and someone doors winning somewhere here, Dr. Ayeni AG, Attorney General, what they at to Bra Okupio a news far. Na Yinkuti on one and Masem said, ye, what that's answer we are, what they and Chichimu at to Dra a church, said a buyer, Yachi a Ken Ofori Atta. Yinkuti a Dr. Ayeni Ninsabno, Yinti and Semna, what they at to Dra.
Are you responsible for Ofori Atta's predicaments in the U.S.? He's been in ICE detention for how many days now? It must be a very terrible situation for him.
Well, okay, so you know that even from day one, I didn't make this public, but I started investigating Ofori Atta, all right? In fact, in his case, I'm doing it with... some foreign investigators that are tracking, all the offshore dealings and so on, all right? And then, of course, we are also doing our own investigations here. They are inconclusive as we speak. We have not, come to any conclusion. So
this is different from the SML?
It's different, totally different, and potentially mind-blowing, but I that I will not, give any details at this point in time. So I started working with the Americans in respect of Ofori Atta long before OSP, came up with their announcement. Yeah, I started working with them, and I want Ghanaians to know that he just didn't overstay his visa. The visa was actually revoked. So it's not that Ofori Atta overstayed. So in July, the American government the State Department revoked his visa, all right? And they gave him up to November 29th of 2024 to leave the United States, okay? He did not. And then that is how come that they, decided they were going to now pursue him, and arrest him. Actually, the arrest was supposed to occur on January 4th, and they did not do so. But on Tuesday, January 6th, they, apprehended him, in the Virginia area and took him into.
You're saying this is not exactly about immigration?
Yes, it's not exactly about immigration.
His visa is not actually. His visa is not expired. It expires in February.
It was revoked. The visa was revoked. I am telling you this on authority. All right. The last meeting that I had with the American authorities was just 3 days ago.
His lawyers say here in Ghana say this is just a standard process.
No, it's not. It's not a. I mean, they want to give it that a twist, to make it look like there is nothing wrong. But of course, the extradition request that I sent was in respect of the OSP.
Yes, the SML matter.
Yes, but I have been working with the Americans diligently on him, and the visa was revoked, and that is how come that he lost his immigration status in the United States.
Explain to me, visa is revoked on account of you investigating him?
Something I wouldn't want to give any details because we speak with in confidence with the Americans, but this is something that I can publicly confirm that a visa was revoked.
So, in respect of his extradition, are your lawyers in America to assist the state as the Department of Justice? As we understand, there's supposed to be some 2 lawyers from your place, 2 lawyers from the OSP or so, to go and help the Americans who prosecute the case in American courts.
Normally, we don't send our lawyers. We are represented because we make the request to the American authorities. So just like here, when they make a request, my office, mostly led by, my deputy, Justice Srimsai, goes to court. My lawyers go to court, and they represent the interests of the United States of America.
That's right.
And they do all the arguments. And then when, they persuade the judge grants the extradition request, and then, we extradite the person. It is going to be the same. So you see, when I said that Mr. Ken Ofori Atta had hired top lawyers in America to argue his case for him, and that is not going to be an easy battle trying to bring him home. People thought that I was going to the United States to face his lawyers there, and I was afraid. I'm not afraid. Paul Adomochiri did a show here where he said a Stanford lawyer, and you are afraid of lawyers in America. I'm not afraid of them.
He's not the only one who was unhappy.
No, but nobody ought to be unhappy because John Ashcroft, the former attorney, general of the United States of America, all right, called me and said he was the one representing, Ken Ofori Atta in the matter. But his concerns, that the reason he called me was for me to assure him that when Ken is returned to Ghana, all right, he will get a fair trial. And I assured him of the fact that under this government, and in accordance with Article 19 of the Constitution, his right to a fair trial is guaranteed. No one is going to, Ken Ofori Atta is not he's not the person that will come here and we're going to treat him very shabbily and so on and so forth. He will be accorded due process of law. His fair trial rights will be guaranteed and so on. So I talked with John Ashcroft, but at the time, I could not, including the lawyer, the lawyer who granted the interview.
That's right.
So there were 3 of them, 3 lawyers who spoke to me via, a Zoom on that day when they were expressing concerns. Okay. So at that point in time, it was confidential. I could not mention John Ashcroft as his lawyer. All right. But I was simply saying that when you take the fact that he has these top lawyers coming to court in America to defend him, it is not going to be a day's work to bring him home.
That's
because, he will appear before, in this current matter, he will appear before an immigration judge. All right. On January 20th, he's appearing before an immigration judge.
Right.
He has a right to appeal that decision to a district court.
Right.
From the district court, he can go to a circuit court of appeals.
Yeah.
Then from there to the United States, Supreme Court. That is potentially the legal pathway to, the determination as to whether or not he should be taken from America.
Right.
If he doesn't self-deport, this is what is going to happen. In the extradition case, again, a district court will hear the proceedings and make a determination as to whether to extradite him. If he is not happy about that, he can go to a circuit court of appeal and to the United States of America. So I was just laying out, the legal pathway that lies ahead of us,
and which could drag.
And that is part of the process of probity and accountability.
But why do you get a 6 months visa revoked? And as I understand, it was revoked in June.
No, in July.
June or July?
July, I think.
Rather.
Yeah.
Okay.
July.
Well, he's sick. He's not well. That's what we are told. He needs to recuperate from treatment.
Do you recuperate only in America? You can recuperate here. There are people here with prostate cancer who are treating themselves.
You are for winning and somewhere Dr. Dominic Ayeni, Attorney General, and some of the 2 Jaffa, Ken Ofori Atta, a extradition process, and no namso, and my eyes for a coach, a Ken Ofori Atta. Now, here they were in some new corner to say Ken Ofori Atta, it be a 1 day never. It be a 1 day never. So, we don't subscribe here, but more they say over subscribe to channel. Now, while I give video, no, give us a thumbs up. Also, bet me at Wadring Afa, and some way in our home. Comment section hono mubati minkabiu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.